Damaris J Makeup. Thank you for coming to my channel to watch my videos. I feel so happy seeing you return and come and watch my videos. Thank you so much. If you're new to this channel, today we are going to do a video on how to clean the makeup brushes, the makeup products, and also the how to clean up the makeup kit where we store the makeup. If you're new to this channel, please do consider to subscribe to keep you tuned for more videos that I will keep on doing. And so guys, today I'm going to be very detailed on how I'm going to do this this cleaning. And guys, the product that I'm going to use, let me show you guys. I'm going to use this Century Home dry cleaner that I'm going to use to clean my makeup products. Little because if I have a client in an hour, I can also work with the same brushes because it dries off the makeup immediately. And also guys, I'm also going to use my baby wipes. These are the baby wipes that I'm going to use. So these are the two products, the dry cleaner and also the baby wipes that I'm going to use to clean off the makeup product. And guys, also I have my brushes with me here. There are very many, and my powder here. I have my concealer sets. I have my contour powders, contour concealers. I also have the brushes, all types of brushes, the eyeshadow brushes, the lipsticks, you know. There's a dry cleaner that I'm going to use to clean off the makeup. I also have the eyeshadow set, which is really, let me show you. I have the eyeshadow set with me here. I have the powder. I also have where I put this is where I store some used lashes. I also have my eyeshadow with me. The lipsticks are here. The lipsticks are here. The eye pencil, the brushes, you know, all these I need to clean them. I also have my concealer contour set here. I also have my setting spray. I have these are styling gel, setting powder. I have also my foundation, Maybelline foundation. I have the LA Girl set, Estee Lauder Black Opal. I also have the eyeshadow, the blusher, eyeshadows. I also have my wipes that I'm going to use to clean up this makeup. I also have my mirror. I use this makeup mirror especially when I'm doing the classes or training the classes with my students. I also have the eyeshadow set. I have a lot of eyeshadow, the nude colors, the popping colors, the Halloween, the glitters. I have a lot of eyeshadow set. I also have my powders. These are the compact powders which I use to set off the makeup to look more satin and more popping. I have different colors for different dark shades. I also have the blushes, I also have the highlights, you know. I have this color. It gets used for everyone. Every person can fit on this white color, you know, guys. And also have the eyeshadow set for Halloween colors, those who love popping colors. On the other hand, guys, I also have my makeup kit. It's so dirty, you know, guys. It had been working a whole week and it needs to be thoroughly cleaned. I'll show you guys on how I clean it. Yes guys, so today that is all about it on what I'm really going to take you through. Yes guys, so that is all what I'm going to take you through today. Hope you keep tuned here to see how we're going to do this thorough cleaning of this makeup. Thank you guys for always getting tuned here to watch. If you're new to this channel, please do consider to subscribe guys, and so that you get notified with the videos that I'm going to post. For my all returning viewers, I love you so much. That is yours. I love you so much for returning and coming to watch my videos. You make me feel motivated to come back and to really post more. Thank you so much, my fans. And so that's all about it, guys. So let's start this cleaning. As I said, guys, I'm going to use the dry home. It's called the Century Home Dry Cleaner. This is what I'm going to use today to clean. And so you guys, I love you so much. Keep you tuned. Let's do this.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
what does it mean to be happy? 'Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty, man, we just putting on a show. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life, to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. To drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. Try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life, to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside.
guys, has not been an easy work. It has been a hustle. I mean, cleaning the brushes is a lot of work, and also cleaning of the rest of the makeup, it was a bit tiresome, but I'm happy my makeup are all clean. I'm now ready for the next client, but now let's clean the brushes. Yes guys, let's do this.
You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. I know. Getting hot, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home.
Yes, that's how I clean my makeup products. If you like this video, please comment on the section down below. I will answer all the questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for really making this thing happen from the start to the end, and I hope this video helps you somewhere in how you really struggle in cleaning your makeup products. It is that easy. And if you have many, like the way I have many products, like today I was really doing a general cleaning. It was not easy because makeup products were so many, there were a lot, but I was able to clean all of them. And yes guys, so I'm ready for the next client, and I'm feeling happy with the clean product and feeling yes, I can attend the next client. So guys, hope this video helps you. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe. My returning subscribers, yes, watch these videos, share, and continue coming back to my channel to watch my videos. I'll be always happy to see you come back and return and watch my videos. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye bye. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Mwah. This is for you, my returning fans, and to my new fans. Mwah. That is yours also. Bye bye.